Welcome back to another class of app development with Python. In this class, we're going to learn everything you need to know about the GUI libraries with Python, which are going to be based on Tkinter, Qt, Pygame, and also Kivy. Well, I have prepared a slide for you guys, which will help you to understand it a lot. So, what is GUI? In Python, there are several GUI. The full form of GUI is Graphical User Interface. So, libraries that you can use to create applications with graphical interfaces. Here's an overview of some of the popular ones, which is Tkinter, PyQt, Pygame, and also Kivy. So, let's start off with Tkinter. Tkinter is the standard GUI library for Python. It is included with most Python installations, so it's easy to get started with. So let's move on with the pros and cons. The pros of Tkinter is that it is easy to use and well documented. It also comes with Python, so no need for additional installation, which is also good for simple application. The cons of Tkinter is that it is limited in terms of advanced widgets and modern look and feel. Can be less powerful for complex applications. Well, by the end of these slides, I'm going to show you each and every one of them of how the interface looks like and how it will function. The next one, or the second one, is PyQt. People also call it Qt, okay? PyQt is a set of Python bindings for the Qt application framework. It is more powerful and flexible compared to Tkinter. The pros of PyQt is that it is rich set of widgets and tools, supports modern UI designs and complex application, cross-platform, and the cons of PyQt are more complex and has a steeper learning curve, and it also requires separate installation. The next one, which I'm going to show you, is going to be about Pygame. Pygame is a set of Python modules designed for writing video games. It is also used for creating multimedia application. The pros are that it is good for game development and multimedia application. Simple and easy to use, extensive community and resources. The cons are not suitable for traditional GUI applications, limited in terms of standard GUI widgets. And the last one is Kivy. Kivy is an open source Python library for developing multi-touch applications. It is known for its flexibility and cross-platform capabilities. The pros are that it supports multi-touch and gestures, good for applications based on various platforms such as Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, iOS, Raspberry, everything. It is also modern and flexible at the same time. The cons of Kivy are that it can be complex for simple application, and it also requires separate installation and dependencies. So, each of these libraries has its own strength and use cases, so the best choices depend on the specific requirements of your project. Now let's show you how it kind of looks like and where you will be able to find it online. So basically these are the sites. Well, this is for Tkinter. You can see Python interference to TCL. Well, if you have already downloaded Python or you have it on your device, then you basically don't have to go through anything else. It's going to be with your Python. There we go. We have Qt for Python, which is PyQt. And this is for Pygame, which you'll be able to create 2D games on Windows and also Mac sometimes, but not the other ones. And the last one is Kivy, which can be basically used for any, any software or any OS. Okay? So hope you understood everything about this class. And if you still have any confusion or any questions, then feel free to ask me anytime. I'm always there to help you out. So without any further ado, let's move on to our next class,